Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So this is Bukidnon, Siargao, Enchanted River, 5 days tour. So ito na, sinundo ko na sila from airport, from Manila na mga bisita ko and guests. And here we are. For 6 hours travel, we are here in Lovers Lane, Bukidnon. From Jensan to Bukidnon. So ito, feeling fresh pa din. Ina-enjoy po namin yung view and ang ganda sobra. Speechless. So we're going to first stop Communal Ranch. Ito ang ganda, ang saya. So ito na habal-habal. Papunta doon 200 pesos. Okay na back and forth na yun. So ang ganda ng view, parang nasa ibang bansa ako. So ito na guys, tahimik po na tayo. Let's enjoy the sound of nature and the view.
Let's go!
kami sa Dahilayan. So we're going to Surigao next stop. So bago muna pumunta na Surigao, dumaan muna ako dito kasi ang ganda ng lugar. They're very aesthetic. So I'm just gonna try their coffee. Yes, sarap na coffee nila guys. Must try. Daan kayo dito. So 11 hours of travel. So we're here, took the first fast craft at 8 a.m. papuntang Siargao. So we're here in Siargao and we're enjoying it. Fresh pa din. So dito na kami sa Barrio Francisco, our stay. So I'm a bit excited and mag-lunch muna kami. So we try this local hub and we're going to Secret Beach for this afternoon. Yes, so ito na yung lugar ni Nadine and the view, and enjoy the rest of the video guys. What's up? Tapos sa party, we are ready for our second day here in Siargao. Yes, for the island. It's our third year in Siargao, so nandito kami sa Bravo. This is just to chill and enjoy the view. Yeah! Saan pupunta natin? Yung coffee shop ni Andy. Punta kami Katarnan Bridge. So, nandito daw lahat ng farm. So, let's see. ganda ng sunset dito guys. So, dito muna kami tatambay. And tingin-tingin muna. Ito naman yung kasama namin kahit saan, sa bog. Ayan. Yay! Hey! 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 So, it's our last night here in Siargao. So, tulo-tulo to namin. Then, party! Woo! Morning na, ito na kami. Last day namin sa Siargao and going off the island and see you again Siargao. So pupunta namin ng Enchanted River, another 7 hours travel. So dito na kami sa Enchanted River and then we're enjoying the last of it. And thank you for watching guys my vlog. See you again. This is Travel with Chris. See you guys. Travel with family. Yeah.